Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to sign up to Earnin account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for earnin.com. When the official website opens, on the top right corner, you will see Login or Sign Up button. Click on it. Here your sign up page has been opened. Here you have to enter your phone number or email address. For now, I am adding my email address. Then click on continue. Once you do that, a 4-digit code has been sent to your email address. Go through your mail and copy that code and paste it over here. Once you do all of this, you have to follow the prompt to set up your account. First of all, you have to link your bank account. Then you have to verify your employment, provide details about your employer, and verify your earnings. Once you do all of this, at last you have to set up direct deposit and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily sign up to Earnin account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.